Today, I'm going to list my 5 best affiliate marketing programs and networks that you can use to start making money, um, even as a total beginner in affiliate marketing. I have used some of these affiliate networks and programs to generate 6 figures annually. In this video tutorial, I'm not only going to show you the list of these affiliate programs, but I'm also going to share with you my own strategies and tactics that allowed me to generate that much money. So hopefully you can implement them and start earning money online. So I will be showing you some underground affiliate programs and networks that no one is even talking about. And there is a huge potential for you to become very successful if you are just getting started with affiliate marketing. So the number one affiliate marketing network number on my list is Partnerstack.com. So here is Partnerstack, and it is one of the best affiliate marketing networks or affiliate programs for software businesses. It doesn't require you to have any experience, own a blog, or anything else before you can get started. And it does have a lot of products you can actually market. If you look over here, these are brands that have worked with this Partnerstack. We have Vimeo, we have Typeform, and we have Teamwork and all of that. To begin, you're going, come over here, and this is the Partnerstack partnership interface. All you need to do is come over here and click on the software category that you want. We have e-commerce, marketing, accounting software, and all of that. Over here, if you keep scrolling, you can see there's several affiliate offers that you can actually promote. This is Printify. It is a platform used for print on demand. This software, Notion, provides a single space for organizing everything that matters, and it is quite popular. So just take your time and go through it. Here is Unbounce, which is also a page builder using AI to achieve this. We have text-to-speech software, that's 11 Labs. If you want to join the 11 Lab affiliate marketing program, you can also do that from here. This is Jungle Scout, also for product search. So this is how it works basically with this platform. Spocket is also a drop shipping tool. So there are a lot of products you can actually market here. And it's really straightforward, so take your time and go through it. And if I'm to promote any offer on this platform, let's say I want to promote a speech-to-text, 11 Labs, for example, which can help clone my voice and also read a text in any language. There are 2 ways to promote it. I will try out the software by using all of its features, then make a video around it, then leave my affiliate link in the description box. And I will also go ahead and write a comprehensive article, then leave a link to 11 Labs too. And whenever someone clicks on my affiliate link and subscribes to 11 Labs, I will be getting a 22% commission on any paid plan. And this is how you are going to be making money online. Easy peasy, right? Comes the second affiliate marketing network, OfferVault. So this is like a real stress-free way to generate leads, to generate sales for your pay-per-call offers. So pay-per-call is a type of affiliate marketing model in which an affiliate is paid a commission for every phone call they generate for a merchant. So OfferVault is basically like one big directory with everything to do with affiliate-based offers, but for this particular video, we're going to stay focused on the pay-per-call offers. This is absolutely one of the easiest routes to go because you don't really have to sell anything. As a matter of fact, a simple commission could be as easy as someone calling a specific number and being on the phone for about 1 minute, and they'll pay you out like $20. If you look over here, these are all pay-per-call offers on the platform. This is an offer that requires a carpenter service, meaning if someone needs a service of a carpenter and pull a call through precisely through your link, then you will be giving about $2, $30. Okay, let's take another. This is a call for a dentist service. So if you pull this number up and someone calls, you will be getting $15. I hope you are beginning to get the idea, right? I find this offer, the divorce offer, really nice. I mean, it's on trend. And if you push this offer, you will be getting a whopping $22, which is quite a lot for just a call. And if you look closely, LeadSmart seems to have most of the offers here. So if you are interested in this kind of affiliate offer, just click on the preview landing page. And you will be brought up to this interface where you will be required to sign up as an affiliate. Essentially, becoming an affiliate with LeadSmart will give you a plethora of pay-per-call offers, so you might not need to joggle websites. If you're going to promote this kind of offer, the best thing to do is to run a Google ad. Google Ads does have a listing for a phone call, and Facebook ads work perfectly well for this strategy too. So once you fill out this form, you'll be given access to the platform where you get to see a lot of offers that you can actually promote. I strongly recommend pay per call for new affiliate marketers because you can make a lot of money doing this. And I hope you find LeadSmart very helpful. You can give this a try. It will make you a lot of money if done strategically. And this will lead us to the third affiliate marketing networks or affiliate programs, Verve Direct. So Verve Direct offers affiliate marketing services with a focus on e-commerce products and sell-through CPA partnerships. And I'm going to explain that shortly. And there are two good reasons why you will want to sign up as an affiliate marketer on Verve Direct. The fact is, Verve Direct has some sort of weird product, or maybe it is safe to say that they have an uncommon product specifically for their affiliate marketer to promote. These are the types of products you don't randomly stumble upon, and that makes it less competitive. If you look over here, there are some products selling on Verve Direct, and this is a wireless charger that works with any smartphone. And the most interesting part of this offer is that you will be getting a sales page to help you market the product even better. And if I'm to promote an e-commerce product, I'm going to use a dedicated Pinterest business account and a TikTok affiliate account. And here is another reason why you should use Verve Direct as a beginner. Remember, I said it was CPA affiliate marketing, right? Well, Verve Direct CPA seems very unique. They're almost identical, but the main difference is that with this CPA affiliate marketing, if you, let's say, sell to 50 persons, be it a product or offer, let's say 50 people purchased through your affiliate link, and let's say 30 of them, which isn't even possible, decided to ask for refund for whatever reasons, well, don't panic, because unlike other affiliate programs or the affiliate network, they will take back the money from you and send it back to the customer. So you're going to lose money. And if you did promote the offers through ads, I'm sorry, but you are ready for the loss. Whereas with Verve Direct CPA affiliate marketing, you're not affected by any refunds. So if you sell to 50 persons, you keep the money no matter what happens. Even if all 50 persons decide they want to refund, you're keeping your money. I hope you get the concept. And don't employ your community members to make a purchase, then refund later. That will be so terrible. I mean, it's going to be crazy, man. Then the fourth affiliate marketing program or network that you can join as a beginner and start making money quickly is Clickbank. I mean, I made my first affiliate marketing sales with a Clickbank offer using Quora and YouTube simultaneously, and that was in the health niche weight loss supplement, to be precise. Clickbank is the most friendly and straightforward affiliate marketing program for any beginner, and Clickbank doesn't require you to be approved before you join their platform. And one major reason you should sign up as an affiliate on Clickbank is that its commission rate is quite high. So this is what the marketplace looks like. There are several categories or niches to focus on. I find the home and garden less competitive and convert really well. Plus, you also get promotional materials to aid your marketing strategy. All of these are dietary supplements that convert really well. You just need to have a good strategy, and this is how much you will get for every sale that you generate. If you click on the affiliate page button. It takes you to a dedicated affiliate page where you get to see promotional materials. All you have to do is click here to get access to the material. As you can see, these are all thumbnails you can use for creative ads on Facebook, Instagram, or platform of your choice. And these are well-designed thumbnails done by experts, so feel free to use it with copyright. Here is another offer, Sugar Defender. You should consider promoting this offer if you want to start with Clickbank affiliate marketing. I mean, you have got the marketing materials that are going to help you to make more money, or actually start making money if you are not making any money. And if you're wondering, how do I start? Where do I start? Well, these dedicated affiliate pages will get you started in no time. Now you have some statistics to help you predict what your targeted audience will be. As seen here, the best country to promote this product is the United States. So now you know where to target your product. You don't have to target the worldwide. Your priority should be the first 3 countries. And you know that the United States is the place where you're going to get the most amount of sales traffic. For the device, we can focus on mobile. Only 70% are on their phones. They also providing us with another type of marketing materials, creatives that we can use. And this is an email swipe crafted by professional writers. So you want to take your time and go through Clickbank, do your research, and choose the best niche for you. This will help you in the long run. So basically, that's how they help their affiliates, meaning you and I can make more money, because if we make money, they also make money. This 5th affiliate program or affiliate network is GiddyUp. This is another CPA affiliate network, but with premium CPA offers. Now, this is similar to Verve Direct, though with one big difference, which is most of these CPA offers on GiddyUp are also featured in a lot of news and magazines. GiddyUp is also a BBB accredited business, if you know what that means, which is a pretty legitimate company. Another big difference is when you go into GiddyUp and you can go over to the offers you're going to see again. A handful of premium offers are reserved only for the GiddyUp community, meaning you're not going to have a lot of competition, because these are products only reserved for people who sign up at GiddyUp as affiliate. And also you're going to see that these offers are very strange. You're not going to see them anywhere else. They are very intriguing offers that people don't see every day. Plus, you have the curiosity factor where people don't see these types of products every day, so you have bigger chances to make money. GiddyUp affiliate program had already made it easy for their affiliate marketer by providing a UGC kind of content for the product that you can easily post on your TikTok, Instagram Reel, Snapchat, and all of that without getting into copyright issue. And to even make your content more unique, you can purchase the product yourself and do a comprehensive review of the product. Alternatively, you can pay someone on Fiverr or any of these freelancing websites to review the product. You can get the product and you send it to the person to make a review about it, then take the video, post it on Pinterest, using the video feature, post it on TikTok and Instagram Reels, which will drive you so much traffic. However, you can stick with GiddyUp marketing material. I mean, it's easier, and that's the huge benefit of using the platform. They provide you with all of these marketing materials that you can use as an affiliate marketer to market the product better, and this is the sure way to start making money with affiliate marketing. But before you get excited about GiddyUp and ruin the sign-up process, heads up, ensure you answer all questions correctly, don't give the wrong information, and then choose one niche. Be intentional about the affiliate registration form, or else you will be denied access. I hope you find these affiliate marketing programs and network helpful. I encourage you all to start as soon as possible. Choose a niche, then focus on it. And if possible, get yourself a domain name to avoid unnecessary limitations on your desired affiliate marketing platforms. Please hit the like button if you find this super helpful. And please subscribe if you are not a subscriber yet. I will see you in my next video. Bye.